Ride for a real one, yeah. Slide on a real one. On my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. I can't even help it. I don't think I want to know that I've been on you. Ooh, tell me that you want. Really acted like I had it. You seen right through it, knew I was catting up. Still let me hit it till you cashed out, it had enough. Lately, been adding up. What you want, I'm activated. Way you looking at me with the eyes, hella captivated.
Ooh, your car, bro. And he took the other car with him. He took 2 cars. Yeah, bro. That was your car? That was somebody else's car?
Jesus Christ.
And did he stay?
No, he left. He left. Did it look like
able to flip it over?
County us at the 80. I might try that.
Okay, we just had a PI involving some other
What the? Just hit me. Don't go nowhere. And then she gonna pull off. Pull off.
Veterans, I'm looking for 5 of you to do a
crazy. Oh, holy. What the? Holy.
Have that used to. Now, whether it was in spite of what we did or because of it, we'll never know. I'll take credit for it anyway. Well, aren't you just transferring the problem somewhere else to get rid of tires?
Working moms have way too many to-dos. Switch to H&R Block and
Let's go. Let's go. 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 Go.
Like I said, this is I-81 in southbound. Falcon right there. He's mad because I was coming up on traffic. He's trying to force me off the road. You could probably see. And then he's got his turn signal on. Watch what he does as soon as he gets in front of me. Brake lights. Like I said, anybody can get a truck and trailer number to let me know. So I hop in the left lane to get away from him, and brake lights again. I'm trying to avoid him, and he keeps doing this. Like I said, anybody has any contact information for Falcon and his truck and trailer number, let me know in the comments down below. Because they need to see what kind of driver this driver is. Like I said, he let the birds fly every time he got beside me. I'm trying to avoid the situation, get out of his way, and You can see he keeps cutting me off.
All right. Sign. Cool.
And the memorial traffic, and then finally the I-10. Oh my God, this guy ain't gonna make it. Go back up.
I was trying to get decent speed. The funny thing is, the more times you rewind it and play it, it's still.
Jesus
It looks
Christ,
so
I'm looking in there like, Larry's dead! Larry's dead!
Nick's like running along the side of the truck looking in the cab. Larry!
I'm more attracted to younger women. You're older. I could see probably like us doing business together or something like that, networking. And just not attractive.
That's a rough 42. I'm 38.
Why you ended up popping your balloon? My name is Davinia and I'm 41.